Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix easy anti-cheat is not installed on Fortnite. It will be new method and the only one that helped me to fix this issue. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to press on the three dots, manage, then go to install files, then look for a Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then easy anti-cheat. And then what you need to do here, you just need to right click on it, show more options, new, select text document, and then give it a name. It really doesn't matter what name. In this case, it will be install.txt. Then what you need to do here is to right click on easy anti-cheat iOS setup, then rename it, and then just copy with a exe extension here. If you don't see exe, you just need to press view, show, and then select file name extensions. Then what you need to do here is to open that install.txt file, paste that easy anti-cheat exe name that we copied, then put space and write install. Then you can minimize this, open up just press Windows and A key or write run on search. And here you need to write %appdata%. And then here you should find easy anti-cheat folder. Click on that, go to service log, and then here you need to look for started with install and the numbers. And these numbers should repeat. So as you can see here, one time, two times, three times. So just copy the numbers, go back to a folder of installed.txt, and then you just need to paste these numbers. Then what you need to do here is to go to file, save as, select all files here, make sure encoding is UTF -8, and then delete txt file, txt extension, and then you just need to write BAT, right? Hit save, you can close this, and then you should find install BAT, and then you just need to run it, and then it should show up for a few seconds and it should be gone. And after that, launch Fortnite and it will work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.